fresh filters obsessively engineered to provide you with clean water. Use this installation video along with your replacement manual to change your A.O. Smith carbon and clarium filters. Replacing your filters is easy. Read your replacement manual in its entirety for all warnings and details on special circumstances. Let's begin. Grab a towel to catch any water that may come from your system during the replacement process. First, turn off the cold water valve under the sink and release the pressure from the system by turning on the dedicated faucet. Remove Stage 1 and Stage 3 sumps from the filtration system. Place the cartridges over a sink, twist the caps off of the sumps, and pull the filters out of the sumps. You can pour the excess water down the drain. Insert each new filter into the sump. Attach the bottom part of the sump to its corresponding lid. Reattach each sump to the manifold. Slowly turn on the cold water valve and confirm that the dedicated faucet is closed. Allow the tank to completely fill. Once the tank is completely filled, check for leaks. If there are no leaks, flush the filter cartridges by opening the dedicated faucet and allowing the water to run through the filters until there's no pressure coming out of the filtration system faucet. Close the dedicated faucet and allow another 2 hours for the pressure to build within the system. Just like that, you're done. Time to enjoy clean, filtered water.